Wake up, babes. New Nintendo alarm clock just dropped. Yes, we have new Nintendo hardware for 2024. Maybe not what you expected or anyone expected. It is a smart alarm clock called Alarmo. It just was announced. It just went on sale today. I ran to the New York City Nintendo store. Let's open it up and see what it's all about. Let's go! This lets you wake up with Nintendo sounds from various games, like Mario and Zelda. Okay, here we go. There she is. Here's your power cord. There's this little guy here. Okay, we gotta power this up and get it going. But really quick, what you're getting here is the ability to wake up in different Nintendo immersive themes from different games. So loaded on here, it says it has Super Mario Odyssey, Zelda Breath of the Wild, Splatoon 3, Pikmin 4, and Ring Fit Adventure. And there'll be different sounds that you can choose from on how you want to wake up and how you move. Now, this isn't just something that tells the time. It has a lot of smart sensors to track your sleep and know when you're moving in bed to help wake you up more with other sounds. Okay. Alarmo! Oh, you twist. Okay, so we're gonna twist. Oh, you press. Oh, it's teaching you. Ah! It's got that little Mario font. I like it. This is how you're testing it. Okay, it's motion sensing. Okay, we're in the office. I'm not in a bedroom, but I'll make a little cozy space to take a nap. Before we can get into the sounds, we have to set up the sensor zone. Okay, this is the best I can do with a bed, but we're keeping it cozy here, okay? No higher than 8 inches above your bed. There are a lot of instructions here to make sure that you're placing this in the right area to get the sensor to work right. Hop into bed so we can test the alarm. Lie down, press the confirm button. I like how they're making sure you have a good experience getting it to work before you actually have to wake up in the morning. So it's explaining that if you move around in bed, you're gonna hear more sounds and characters will keep coming to wake you up until you finally get your butt out of bed. Oh, it's getting louder. See, I have to move around. Fine, I'll get up. I'll get out of bed. You can't just snooze it. You better get out of bed. Okay, the first one I gotta test is Zelda Breath of the Wild. That's my jam. Awakening to adventure. Oh, you can have Princess Zelda tell you to wake up. Bokoblin battle. Oh, that's stressful. Okay, first time users might want to start with steady mode. There's different modes, how much you need help getting up out of bed. Steady mode encourages you to get up within 20 minutes of your alarm. And if you don't get up in 20 minutes, it enters this sort of hurry up state. Oh, it's so cute. It's little Linky in a fire. He's just cute. Oh, I like it. Every time you move, you basically are punching a bokoblin. Okay, I'm just gonna go through, cycle a few of these alarms so you can get a sense of what the sounds are like. All right, I'm waking up. It's getting louder. It's a gentle wake up. The smoochy fairies to wake you up this way. If you don't know this game, you're missing out. You can also set it to shuffle, so if you don't want to pick it every day, it'll just randomize it for you. So you can wake up with a surprise. I like that. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 different themes from each game. You could just have sleepy sounds. This can help you get cozy. Do you want to go to bed sounding like you're in Hyrule, roaming around, hearing the nighttime sounds of the forest? Yes, please. That's what it's playing right now. When you set the theme, the whole entire font and all the chimes, all your sleepy sounds, they all change to that. They said that Animal Crossing and Mario Kart are gonna be coming as a download. So this is gonna be something that will keep growing. It'll keep changing when you can add more sounds over time. Alarmo has a lot packed into it, and that might be why it cost $100. Yes, this smart alarm with all of its sensors is maybe more than most people would expect for an alarm clock, but that's because it has a lot of different immersive themes, and it's tracking how well you're sleeping at night, and it's also, you know, being able to change all these different themes and sense motion to really get you out of bed in a different way than you might be used to. So we have a lot more to test. I have to put this to the real sleep test. If you want to try Alarmo, it's available for purchase for Nintendo Online customers in the US and Canada. But you can also go to the New York City Nintendo store to pick it up while supplies last, like I did. This was just a sample of the setup process, and I did appreciate how much this guides you to make sure that it's in the right spot of your bedroom. And you can wake up with motion or just hitting the button. So there's a lot of options here. Very immersive, very cute. I mean, who doesn't want to wake up to Link every morning at your bedside? No, just me? This is a lot of fun. And you know, it might not be the Switch 2, but Nintendo, keep on surprising us, because this is the fun stuff. Let us know in the comments what game you would want to wake up to first out of all the different options. I'm still going to play around with a little more Breath of the Wild, I think. We'll let you know how it goes the more we sleep test with it. Thanks for watching.